Game Pass version step by step. Step-by-step solution to locate Grounded 2 save files, Game Pass. Step 1, open File Explorer, press Win-E on your keyboard. Step 2, go to the App Data folder. In the address bar, paste, you can see the code in our conversation history. Press Enter. Step 3, navigate to Grounded 2 game folder. Go to, you can see the code in our conversation history. Step 4, open Save File Directory, then navigate to Larker. You can see the code in our conversation history. Inside the WGS folder, you'll find several folders with random names. These contain your Grounded 2 save files. Open quote. Note, if you can't access the folder, right-click Properties, Security, and take ownership if needed. Close quote. Optional, config or log file location. Navigate to, you can see the code in our conversation history. This folder may contain configuration or cache data. Want to back up your saves? Just copy the entire WGS folder and store it somewhere safe, e.g. another drive or cloud storage. Sure. Important notes. This only applies to Game Pass/Microsoft Store version. The save files are often encrypted, so manual editing isn't recommended. Would you like the same steps